Plumbing maintenance. Is it necessary? What is plumbing maintenance? Now, plumbing maintenance is actually just the same as any other maintenance service, such as aircon. It's just a process of preserving the condition of items such as drains and pipes of the basin or toilet bowl to keep it free of clog or leaking. Without further ado, here are 3 important reasons why you should have plumbing maintenance. Number 1. Smelly tap water. Without regular cleaning of pipes, do you know that there will be a build-up of bacteria or dirt within our pipes? The result? Water that smells like sewage water or even rotten eggs. At the start, the color and smell might not be very noticeable. However, it does not mean that there are no dirt or bacteria in our pipes. Yes, our water are drinkable, but are the pipes that carry them clean? Think about it. When is the last time you had them cleaned? Reason 2. Save money. Now, timely maintenance will help to remove debris such as hair, oil buildup, or even solid waste in our pipes or drains, so as to lower repair costs to fix broken pipes or blockages. We all know, prevention is always better than cure. Early detection of problems such as leaking, clogging, and even pipe bursts can save money on water damage costs such as floor or wall repair. Reason 3. Reduce health problems. Now we all know health is wealth. Insects such as cockroaches love to hide in our bathroom or drains. Without proper cleaning of the pipes, they will always pose as health threat. Some diseases cockroaches carry include number 1. Typhoid fever, number 2. Polio, number 3. Dysentery, which causes diarrhea. The 3 reasons are all we have for today. Thanks for watching and remember to stay safe. Please feel free to contact us. Our experienced team are ready to serve and give you a peace of mind. Do drop us a text, a call, or even WhatsApp to arrange for consultation. Thank you.